Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how to connect with your spirit guides through tarot? Today, I'm sharing my step-by-step process for intuitive communication with your guides. Simple, beginner-friendly, and powerful. Connecting with spirit guides through tarot isn't about forcing messages or seeing something dramatic. It's about intention, trust, and intuitive listening. This is my simple, beginner-friendly process. And you don't need special abilities to do this. If you can feel, sense, or notice energy, you're already connected. Before I touch the cards, I pause. I take a few deep breaths and ground myself. You can do this anywhere, no rituals required. The goal is to slow your energy so guidance can come through clearly. I silently say something like, I invite my spirit guides to communicate through these cards for my highest good. Intention is the doorway. You don't need to know your guides' names. They already know you. I let my intuition choose the deck. Whichever one I feel drawn to is the right one for that moment. Spirit communication flows best when you trust the pull instead of overthinking it. I avoid yes or no questions. Instead, I ask things like, what do my guides want me to know right now? Open questions allow clearer, deeper messages to come through. As I shuffle, I pay attention to sensations, thoughts, emotions, or images. I stop when it feels right. Sometimes a card jumps out. Sometimes I feel a pause. That's intuition speaking, and that's where guidance enters. And this is the most important part. I don't rush to textbook meanings. I notice what symbol draws my attention, what emotion the card brings up, what thought arrives first. Spirit guides often communicate through feelings, nudges, and subtle knowing. The first message you receive is usually the clearest. Doubt comes later. If something feels gentle, loving, and supportive, that's guidance. Spirit communication never feels rushed or fear-based. Connecting with spirit guides through tarot is a relationship. The more you practice, the clearer it becomes. Start simple, trust what you feel, and remember, guidance has been with you all along. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at The Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together. Return next time, your message will be waiting.